Hello to you watching. So this is a review video. I was offered the chance to review some face washing sponges that I was like, yeah, sure, why not? I'm just giving you the heads up that they allowed me to get the product and give it a try and then give you my thoughts. So the product is these Konjac color sponges, and they come in an envelope like this that are resealable. So I'll have some other videos from earlier. Just know I've been using them for about a week now. And so yeah. So the Konjac sponge is, it starts out like very hard, like you can hear it clicking. And what you do is you soak it in water for a little bit, and then it becomes spongy. So this is the one I'm currently using, and I've been using it for about a week. It comes with a string, so you can like hang it up to dry. So the Konjac sponge is perfect for daily cleansing of oily, combination, or normal skin. The sponge will gently purify and exfoliate your skin to stimulate natural blood flow and encourages skin regeneration. The bamboo charcoal contains activated carbon to deeply clean, absorbing excess sebum and grime to prevent blemishes and breakouts. Made using the fiber of the root of the konjac plant, it is naturally rich in essential minerals, vitamins, and amino acids. Yeah, so this is specifically the Minamul Konjac sponge, and I'll have a link down in the description box if you're interested in it. They were relatively cheap. I mean, you get 6 for $10, $10, $11 on Amazon, which I thought was pretty great, especially if they're, you know, good for 2 months each. That gives you a full year of face sponge for $12, $1 a month. I'll take that. So that is obviously from the packaging. I am gonna tell you that I agree with most of it. I don't know much about the konjac plant itself, but the fact that it's naturally derived is cool. It means that like after I'm done using this, and it does say that you should replace every 2 months. So I'm actually planning on doing a further review video in a couple months that I will continue using it because, as you'll find out through the rest of this video, I kind of like it. And so we'll see after 2 months, 1, how the sponge is looking, 2, how I'm feeling about it, and how I feel moving on to another one. Anyway, oh, I'm sitting here like playing with it because it's squishy. I tried it a couple different ways. I did with nothing on the sponge, so just water and cleaning my face. And I will say, it does exfoliate. It's very gentle, like it's not harsh at all. But I did notice that my face was smoother, which I appreciated because, so the face wash I use is a Neutrogena grapefruit. So it has little beads in it for the exfoliating. And so it's a very gentle exfoliator. This is also a very gentle exfoliator. So the combination of those two did help make my skin feel smoother. Something else I'll say, with them claiming, you know, to prevent breakouts. I had a number of breakouts when I started using it, and which probably were just hormonal or like food-based. But by now, I do still have some breakouts. I mean, I'm wearing makeup now, so you can't see them. But this will only make sense if you pay attention to your breakouts. But they ran through their breakout cycle faster. So they went from like under the skin to whiteheads to, you know, bursting. I get sorry to get gross. To back to normal quicker than if I weren't using the sponge, that I've noticed. So I thought that was great. I love that. Let me see what else. The sponge itself foams up really well. You'll see in a couple of the videos I'm going to insert. They say to use about half the foaming product you usually would use, and that's right. I needed to use a lot less of my face wash, which was great because it really foams up well. It's essentially, you know, a loofah, but more gentle on your face. My favorite way of using it was definitely take my cleanser in my hands like I usually would, put my cleanser on first, then go in with the sponge and like buff, like with the cleanser already on my face. And that's how I liked using it the most. I would use it at night before I went to sleep. And then in the morning during my morning shower. And what's great with the string, I was able to just hang it up in my shower to, you know, dry during the day and stuff like that. I haven't, since I've been using it every day, I haven't noticed if it dries back down to solid the way the like original one, like it started, like, I don't know if it'll ever go back to this texture because I've been using it every day, so I haven't given it a chance to fully dry. But that might be something, like maybe when I get to the end of the 2 months, I'll leave this one out and see if it ever does go back to the hard thing. Let's see what else was important that I said. I will say I wear enough makeup. Like I do whenever I wear makeup, I do full face, full eyes. Like, I mean, if you look at my eye makeup, I have eyeliner and mascara and eyeshadow on. And so the sponge, it doesn't necessarily take all of my makeup off on its own. So my process of washing my face, first run with my hands, going in with the sponge, and then going in with a makeup removing towelette. But to be fair, that's usually what I did. I usually washed my face with my hands and then went in with a makeup removing towelette just because, you know, my makeup's stubborn enough. But yeah, overall I think it's good, and I'm definitely going to keep using it, and I think I will do another video at the beginning, maybe the beginning of December. So a month from now, and I'll let you know how things are going. Because at that point, I'll be almost done with the 2 months for this sponge. And so we'll see how it's holding up, see if I needed to replace one. Let me see. Were there anything else I wanted to make sure I told you? I apologize for all the really weird face washing videos, but I want to let you know that I'm like actually using it. It cleans well. Like, so the few times I've washed, like, used it to wash my makeup face, like, and then rinsing, like, you'll see in the video, there's, like, makeup on it. And then when I rinse it out, it rinses out really well. Much better than, like, when I'm cleaning my beauty blender. I think that's a great aspect of it, is that it doesn't like hold on to the makeup or the cleaning product. And so you're starting essentially with a fresh, clean sponge every time. It doesn't smell like anything, so there's no fragrance there, which is good for anyone who's sensitive to that. I'm assuming, like, I don't have sensitive skin normally, so I can't tell you if it does well with sensitive skin, but I feel like with how soft it is and how gentle of an exfoliation it is, I would think it would be good for those with sensitive skin. Final thoughts. I like it. I'm going to keep using it. We'll see if over the next couple of weeks I do notice a decrease in the amount of blemishes I have. I like the care it does for my blemishes that I do have now. And I like how smooth my skin has been feeling. But yeah, I think especially with these crazy times we're dealing with now, having that little extra something for self-care has been really nice. Like, it's given my face washing time a little extra something that it didn't have before, which I appreciate. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, let me know. And take a look down in the description box. I have a couple more things on the company I bought it from, where I got it from, the more on the konjac plant, and a link so you can, like, if you're willing to try it. So yeah, thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.